In this video, we're going to talk about how you can start making money today with the Facebook Marketplace. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lester Diaz, and in this channel, we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. All right, so one of my subscribers asked me, what is the fastest way to make $1,000 online if you don't have a lot of money? And so what I'm going to show you today is how you can start making money using the Facebook Marketplace if you don't have a lot of money to invest, and some of the resources that you can use to find free products and really cheap products that you can resell on the Facebook Marketplace. Now, the whole concept of making money with the Facebook Marketplace is quite simple. You buy low and you sell high. Now, before we jump into the video, I want to remind you that if you want to learn how I actually make a full-time income online, you can download my free affiliate marketing guide below. It's going to be in the description below, and I show you exactly how I build a full-time income online. And so with that said, let's jump into my computer. So as you already know, there's millions of people using Facebook every single day, and the Facebook Marketplace gets a lot of traffic, mostly from people in your area looking to buy or sell. So what we're going to be doing is, the whole purpose of doing something like this is finding really cheap stuff that you can either get for free, that you can resell on the Facebook Marketplace. Because we're trying to make the most amount of money possible, you don't want to drop ship. You don't want to spend money on shipping. What we're going to be doing is just buying products online, and then we can resell them on the Facebook Marketplace locally, making sure that we make at least 50% profit. Now, if you're able to get products for free, then that means that even if you just make 10 bucks, that's still a profit. I'm going to show you some of the resources that you can use to find either free products or really cheap stuff that you can buy, and then you can resell it. So as you can see on the Facebook Marketplace, you can shop by category, and they have a ton of different categories that you can search. What this means is that you buy the product and then you list it on the Facebook Marketplace. If someone decides to buy the product, then you can just meet with that person in a gas station, Starbucks or something like that, and you can sell the product. You don't have to spend any money on shipping, and mostly that's gonna be extra money in your pocket. All right, so let's talk about some of the resources that you can use to start finding products that you can resell on the Facebook Marketplace. The very first is Craigslist. Craigslist has a free stuff section in every single city in the United States. You can find a free stuff section. You can see people giving away stuff because they're moving or because they bought some new products and they're just getting rid of the products that they have. So you can, if you have a car, if you have a truck or something like that, you can get some of these products for free, and then you can list them on the Facebook Marketplace and you can resell them on the Facebook Marketplace. If they're in good condition, you can probably resell them for a 25% profit or a 50% profit. In this case, if you're getting the product for free, then any money that you make, it's gonna be profit. So it's a matter of taking the time to jump on Craigslist and look for products that you think that you would buy in the Facebook Marketplace. It will take you some time to just review some of the free listings, and you can search on multiple cities to see if you can find products that you can resell. Now, another resource that I highly recommend is called JumpSend, and I'm going to post all the links to everything that I'm going to mention. It's going to be in the description of this video. And JumpSend is a really cool website because you can find deals of people who are looking to get reviews for their product, or they want people to test their products. And so you can find really cheap, as you can see, you can find really cheap products that most likely are selling for way more on Amazon or eBay. And then imagine if you just buy this product for $13.99 and you can resell this for 20 bucks on the Facebook Marketplace. So that's gonna be a really nice profit. And you can search by categories, and they have a ton of different products that you can search on the website. You can find really cheap stuff that you can probably resell on the Facebook Marketplace. Remember, we're not drop shipping. We're not buying from one supplier and then sending that product directly to the customer. We're buying for ourselves, and then from there we're gonna use it. We're gonna use the Facebook Marketplace to list the product at a higher price. So JumpSend is another resource that you can use to find really cheap products that you can resell for at least a 50% profit. Another common sense store that you can check is Walmart. They have a clearance section. You can review their clearance items either in the store or online, and you most likely, when they want to get rid of inventory, they just reduce the price 50%, 75% off, and then from there you can buy the product and you can relist it on the Facebook Marketplace, probably brand new, and most likely you're gonna make a 50% or a 40% profit on that product. You got to do your research and make sure that the product that you're buying is selling on Amazon or eBay to see what is the price on that product that is selling. At the same time, if someone else is actually selling that product in the Facebook Marketplace, to see how much they're charging for that product so you can get a better idea. Now, Amazon also has a clearance section which you can check out. Of course, their discounts are not as heavy as Walmart or JumpSend, but you can still check it out. Sometimes you can find some good deals, and from there you can just order the product yourself and either use it and sell it used on the Facebook Marketplace, or just sell it brand new for a 20-30% profit. The last website I'm going to share with you, it's called Dollar Days. It's a website where you can buy in bulk. This is not a website for drop shipping purposes. They have different categories from a lot of different things that you can find and sell. And usually what it is you buy a case. For example, you can see 47 cents per unit. So that means you're buying a case that contains 84 units. And so if you're gonna sell jump ropes, you can sell it on Facebook Marketplace, but I wouldn't actually recommend it, because I would look for products where you can make a little bit more money and not just sell something for a buck or two. Something like in the home and kitchen categories, like electronics, bedding and things like that, where you can make, at least $15, $12, $17 profit for every product that you list on the Facebook Marketplace. Dollar Days is pretty cool. You can check it out. I'm gonna post a link in the description below. But it's all about doing your research, researching these resources, allowing you to search what these products are selling for on other websites, so you can get a better idea. And from there, also researching on the Facebook Marketplace, so you know who are your competitors and how much money you can make. So if no one is selling these products on your local area and you're the only one doing it on the Facebook Marketplace, you have more chances of making money. Alright guys, so I hope that this video was really helpful to you. Now you have some more ideas on how you can start making money. You truly don't need a lot of money to invest into a business. In the beginning, if you don't have a lot of money, you can use some other creative ways of making money, like using the Facebook Marketplace. In the end, the money that you make, it's all depending on your hustle and exactly the time that you spend on doing this strategy. So I do hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment if you have any questions below, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. I post videos like this every single week with the intention of helping you guys make more money online. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.